welcome down to Andrew Holmes Fun Fair here in Pembroke. It's the first time we visited this fun fair. Now there isn't a lot here, it's not going to be very long to be honest with you. There's only a couple of adult rides here, which is the frog hopper, bouncing frogs, which I don't particularly like, but not to worry, I have someone to go on those. And a twister as well, neither of which we have done ever. So, you know, we want to get on new rides, we want to try new ones, so this is exactly what we're going to do. This is a beautiful machine. There are others called the Can-Can. I'm pretty sure this isn't one I've been on before. I've never been round here before, so I see no reason why I would have been on this. And the twister I definitely haven't done. Definitely haven't done that. So we're going to start this quite quickly. We're just going to get on with it. Kurt here is going to take you on there.
Yeah.
Cody doesn't feel like riding today, so I'm going to take you on there. Whilst we watch out for Cody at the same time, as we are in a bit of a strange place that we don't know. That's the plan. Looking forward to it, Kurt?
Yeah.
Yeah, forwards and backwards by the looks of things. So I'm going to film Kurt on it, and he's going to take you on board.
5, 4, 3, 2, are you ready?
Now this is a beautiful machine. Kurt is on the Can-Can, which is the jumping frogs. You know what my feeling is on these, so yeah, I've sent the boy on. I won't lie to you, I've sent Kurt on. But what a beautiful machine this is. Genuinely lovely, really is lovely. got a good bounce to it as well. It's got a really good bounce to it. I lost Kurt then out of frame. Let's move up a bit. There he goes. Look at that, look. Yeah, beautiful, beautiful machine. Goes backwards as well, look at that. I think Kurt's loving it. I genuinely do. Right, off the can. What do you think, Kurt?
That was good actually, quite forceful that one.
Yeah?
And quick backwards.
Quick backwards as well. So we've just stood it and watched him on that. As you can see, that's finished now, so that's my next stop. Yeah, it does look really, really good. It is in fantastic condition. As I said during the video, it's in lovely condition. I bet it glows up really nicely at night as well. It certainly looks like a retro one, but rides really well, yeah?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah, and a nice backward cycle.
Yeah.
So yeah, massive thumbs up for that. I've made Kurt do it today. You know, I've done a couple of, I did the Joker this year, and that was superb. I know you didn't do that. We will definitely find that for the for these two, because that was an amazing one, really was amazing. But Kurt's loved this. He thinks it's absolutely brilliant. So massive thumbs up for their frog jumper hopper thing. Bouncy, air bounce. The can. So I'm now going to take you on the Twister. I like a good Twister. Yeah. You're not feeling the Twister, are you?
No.
You're not feeling any rides, but I am feeling the Twister, so I'm going to take you on here because I haven't been on this one. Kurt thinks it's a PWS one. You think it's PWS from what you've seen in their warehouse? I don't know, but I'll see if I can find anything to support his theory. The Twister rides. Hello. Now then, I love a good Twister ride. You know I love a good Twister ride, and this is a lovely example as well. All the lights are flashing away. It's a definite retro sort of classic one. The sound system is incredible, really is incredible. It's got a good mix of music going on as well. Very dancey. The old DS speakers, you see those quite a lot on the fair trade walkers. Now this is obviously a family setup here. It is important to understand it's a family setup. So I'm not expecting this to be like lightning by any means. Not expecting this to be like lightning. I expect a nice family one. Oh, and off it goes. Hey, you can hear it go. And one thing I will say is padding. There is padding on the seat. So this is really comfortable. Really comfortable. Ah, yes. Of course, there's always a debate about Sizzler or Twister. Of course, we saw our first one that said it was both, but this one is definitely a Sizzler. Holmes is Sizzler, and it's a brand new ride for us, which is the reason why we stopped in here today. And I'll tell you, actually, this is quite nippy. This is quite nippy indeed. And if you're new to the channel, you'll know that we do plenty of fairs, we do plenty of theme parks here on UK Theme Parks. We like to get around and get on as many rides as we possibly can, so please remember to like and subscribe if you want more. We keep it fairly real, we're fairly honest with our reviews, and of course we go out because the children love to go out. Now this is actually picking up some speed now. This is faster than I thought it would go. Oh. Again, giving into account the people on it, I definitely thought this would go a bit slower than this. This is our first trip to film anyway in South Wales. We have been to South Wales, I've been to South Wales before, but this is the first time to film a trip for the channel. And that's to say, we're having a fantastic time and the weather's holding out for us as well. And it's got quicker again. Oh dear. Oh, loving that. Loving that. Oh. Now I can feel another burst of speed coming. Oh, loving the sound, loving the remix. Love a good Sizzler ride. And this is a good Sizzler ride. I love the look of these retro ones as well. The colour scheme, the orange is actually quite different. I remember seeing one was orange. The cars have got the retro sort of glitter feel to them as well. And we're picking up another gear while I go on about that. But the cars have got this wonderful glitter to them that's really, really nice. I think ones that normally see that this old have sort of the stripes on them, the old-fashioned stripes. But not this one, we've got new LEDs on the back as well. Got LEDs across the bottom of the ride again, much like the Can-Can. I bet this looks incredible at night. Incredible with everything working. The top lights go off and all the car lights go on. Oh, here we go. Oh dear. Oh, that's got some pace, that has. That has definitely got some pace. Well, thank God for this padding. Oh. Oh yes. Oh yes. Yeah, this thing is nippy, definitely got some power behind it. Oh. I think this is our burst of energy at the end of the ride, but I'm telling you now, it's worth hanging on for. And I think we're starting to slow down now. What a Sizzler that is, what a Sizzler. That has got a bit of everything. It's got a bit of look, it's got a bit of style. Being a more classic one, it's definitely got a bit of personality to it as well. Upgraded speakers, some upgraded lights on it. Yeah, some real pace. Thoroughly enjoyed that. Thoroughly enjoyed that Sizzler. And again, padding. It's all about the padding, people. Never let anyone tell you it's not. What a cycle. What a cycle on that Sizzler. That was fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. You know, Kurt's just summed that up really nicely. A nice tidy little fair. Actually can't think of a better way of putting it. So that was the Sizzler ride. Obviously I was giving you a running commentary all the way through. Got a 5-minute cycle on that, which was really good. It started off quite slowly, but not too slowly. It had a nice steady pace to it, and sort of every 60 seconds it increased in pace, and we got the burst of energy at the end. But again, given the amount of families here, children here, young children that are on that, I was not expecting it to be that fast. Not even close expecting it to be that fast. But that was quick. That was quick. The padding really helps, and as I said, these retro ones, I love them. I love them. I love the orange colour scheme. You know, the glittery cars, as I said on there, the retro lights, and then some new LED lights fitted as well. Yeah, really good. Really good. So good Can-Can.
Yeah.
Good Twister.
Yeah.
So what we'll do, we've kind of left now because there are a lot of kids and families in there. So we're going to take you along the grass bit here, which I think we can do. I don't know, Kurt. Can we do that? No, we're going to do it anyway. Just to sort of show you, so plenty of juvenile rides, little teacups there, little monster trucks. You've got a fun house there as well. Fun house, Kurt? You want to go in the fun house? He's not really thrilled about that. bungees.
As it is.
It looks quite small, doesn't it? Look at that. It's really tiny. It's really tiny.
It has a lorry.
And of course, inflatable down the end. So there was definitely something for everyone. Definitely something for everyone. Add that, the can, the jumping frog ride, and of course the Sizzler. Yeah, nice tidy little fair. Best way of putting it, Kurt. Well done. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of him. Now then, it's reasonably priced. I think it's fair to say. It's £1 a token, or 12 tokens for £10. So you get a couple of tokens free, effectively. The big rides are free tokens, so your Sizzler and your jumping frogs are going to be £3, slightly less than £3 if you get a free token, with your little rides at £2. Yeah, 25 to 20 again. You get a few extra ones as well. So it's reasonably priced, but I have to say, you know, when you get good quality rides, rides that have been clearly looked after, and rides that ride as well as that, that's a really reasonable price. And I have to say, I enjoyed my ride and you enjoyed yours.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
Happy days, happy days. As we said, it's a short one today. There's not a lot here. We're not going to film the kids' rides because loads of families enjoying it. It's picking up a bit for the evening. So yeah, thanks for joining us here. Brand new rides for us. That's why we've come. We wanted to share it with you. My name's Adam. This has been UK Theme Parks, and we'll see you next time.